What's going on, YouTube? Tom here, and if you didn't already see it on Instagram, wait for it. Bam! It's here. The 18 Mustang is finally here. Went and picked this car up yesterday. And of course, still got the old beauty, the Tacoma. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like I'll be able to drive the Tacoma for a little bit, because we were on our way to the dealership. We're taking my dad's truck, and yeah. So we got rear-ended on the way over to the dealership. Now, what was really annoying about this was it was only like a block away, too. I'm gonna go ahead and put the pictures up on screen for you all. So yeah, his car was actually undrivable. Of course, my dad was able to make it over to the dealer, drop me off, and then go home. But it was kind of annoying because I had an appointment at the dealership and I had to just go ahead and say, hey, can we go ahead and push this back a little bit? And then I got to the dealership and their actual computers went down, so I was actually there for a good bit. Why don't I do this? Why don't I actually get the Mustang in the background as I talk? But yeah, after about a couple hours of waiting and paperwork and the back and forth, even though I said please don't even try to do the accessories because I know I'm not going to get any of them, they still tried. So I might consider possibly window tint through the dealer. And apparently I thought I had a full alarm, and no, I actually have to pay extra to have the entire full complete alarm put in. Yeah, gotta get this crap off my shiny new car. It's still hot from being driven. This car runs quite hot. But so yeah, since that happened to my dad's truck, he is of course still in need of a vehicle to drive, so I'm just going to let him borrow the Tacoma for a little while. I still might drive it occasionally. I'm not going to just let this truck sit. It's definitely not going to be just his to drive. The old girl's nice and dirty. The new girl is nice and clean. But so probably I'll have to end up daily driving the Mustang, which kind of is a problem because I didn't really want to start racking up miles in this car, but it kind of isn't because this thing is freaking amazing to drive. A full review will be coming on this car over the weekend. I'm gonna go see my girlfriend on Friday, which will actually be tomorrow when this video gets posted, and she can't wait to see it, of course, so that's gonna be fun. So yeah, so the good news is my dad's truck doesn't look like it's totaled. It just really shook us up. The guy claimed he was looking at his radio and there was a school bus in front of us, so we were all stopped. He actually tried to avoid it. That's actually why it hit just the corner, and on his car it hit the driver's side corner. Really shook us up. My dad was honestly going to punch the guy for a few seconds. I'm glad he didn't. Thank you, Dad. Please don't punch people for that. And yeah, he got cited for following too close, and he's 100% at fault. So that's the other good news about owning multiple vehicles, is my dad's honestly not going to take a rental car because he's just going to borrow the truck. And yeah, we're talking about this on this whole thing. Oh, hell with you. I told him you're not going to get a rental car, you're just going to borrow the Tacoma. Let me get a real truck. This is a real truck. Yes, I know, it has a back seat. My dad has this concept of a real truck should only have 2 doors. That's alright, I have a 2-door something here. Yesterday he even said, well, I'll make a deal with you. You just take the truck, and I'll take the Mustang. I was like, Dad, hell no. Yeah, no one better hit this truck while my dad's driving it, because one, we don't want to be down 2 Tacomas, and second, I will personally come and kick your butt as well. But yeah, look out for a full review on this car. And of course, I want to start giving people some rides and putting them into videos. Now, reaction-wise, this car does not necessarily give like a wild reaction. It's not like these mega high horsepower cars, but so far today, it's been a lot of compliments, and I just want to say to everybody, I've thanked so many people in different comments online, thanked people in person, so I want to thank you all in advance for any compliments you give on this car, because believe me, I drove it to lunch. It was Waffle House, and I kept turning around. The waitress was like, "What are you looking at?" I was like, "I just bought a new car, and it's right there." And she's like, "That's so nice." And dealer's complimenting me on this color. I was worried that the race red would be a little bit too bright, and turns out, no, it's not. It is just bright enough. In fact, the Tacoma, actually, to me right now, is looking a little dark compared to this color. Speaking of Mustangs, second classic Mustang I've seen today. God, that one's nice. Always gotta love Mustangs. Waving to all the neighbors around here, but oh, it's getting a little too hot for this. Just gonna step over into the garage, into the shade for the outro here. Anyway, and yes, I did wear my exhausted t-shirt to kind of emphasize that I got the car. So anyway, let me know in the comment section below what you think about all this. About this, definitely about the Mustang. Tacoma's still looking good. Can't wait to have this truck back. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you're stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. Please give my dad some condolences here on his baby. He treats this truck almost as well as I treat the Mustang. Anyway, take care, have a good day.